Closing deals requires tackling objections head-on. Superman knows that. He doesn't shy away from any challenge. In sales, when your prospect raises objections, you must address them with confidence. Imagine this. Your prospect says, "I'm concerned about the pricing," or "I need more information." If you ignore those concerns, you're letting the deal slip. Tools like HubSpot Sales Hub help you track objections and responses, giving you the tools to personalize your response. Apollo can help you score deals based on the objections raised, making sure you know exactly where to focus your efforts. And with moksy.ai, you can create landing pages that tackle objections before they even arise. With Outreach and SalesLoft, you can automate follow-ups to ensure you're staying on top. Just like Superman faces his enemies with confidence, you need to face objections head-on. Subscribe to get more pro tips.